In today's fast-paced world, the manufacturing industry is facing increased pressure to meet the demands of consumers while still maintaining efficiency and profitability. SAP Business One is transforming the manufacturing industry by providing a comprehensive solution to manage every aspect of the manufacturing process. From managing supply chain logistics to controlling production processes, SAP Business One provides a real-time view of every aspect of the manufacturing process. With accurate, up-to-date information at your fingertips, you can make better, more informed decisions that drive business success. SAP Business One's manufacturing features allow for streamlined operations and increased productivity, enabling manufacturers to produce higher-quality goods at a lower cost. The system's automation capabilities minimize errors and increase efficiency, allowing for faster production times and improved customer satisfaction. SAP Business One also provides valuable insights into inventory management, allowing manufacturers to optimize stock levels, reduce wastage, and improve forecasting accuracy. By automating the purchasing and procurement process, manufacturers can streamline their supply chain management and reduce costs. With SAP Business One, manufacturers can also improve their customer relationships by providing a superior customer experience. The system's customer relationship management features enable businesses to track customer interactions, manage sales orders, and provide timely and accurate information to customers. Overall, SAP Business One is transforming the manufacturing industry by providing businesses with the tools they need to succeed in today's competitive marketplace. By streamlining operations, increasing productivity, and improving customer relationships, SAP Business One is helping manufacturers achieve success and thrive in the fast-paced world of modern manufacturing.